gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
Two things. Number one, buy an adjustable bed. You've been talking about it for years. They are wonderful and you will love it. Number two, don't buy an adjustable bed unless it has Mattress Lock by Dominion Comfort Zone.
Do you recognize this steel bar? It's on the bottom of every adjustable bed you've ever seen, and it serves a purpose. Unfortunately, it does nothing for the major problem they don't tell you about, and that is the beds splitting apart. When an adjustable bed goes up on an angle, it effectively is on a hill, and the mattress has a tendency to slide forward. This steel bar fixes that problem, but unfortunately, it doesn't fix the little secret problem they don't tell you about. When a knee, an elbow, or any other body part goes into the middle of those mattresses, the beds will split apart, and your meeting in the middle will be ruined. Trust me, it is not something I would live with. With Mattress Lock, we install your mattresses so they will not split. And no matter why you're meeting in the middle, you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful evening. With the host of features we offer, I'm sure you will understand why our product is so much better than the competition.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
Now click the button to find out why a king is not a king and why a queen is not a queen unless it has Mattress Lock.
Thank you for considering us for your adjustable bed purchase. We hope we have provided you with all the answers you are looking for and more. Let's get you sleeping on the best quality at a great price. Use our mattress checklist to guarantee you get the perfect adjustable bed frame mattress combination.